Today's video, I want to talk to you about people who say yes to everything. If you'll notice, people that have a tendency to say yes to everything generally are unreliable. You can't depend on them, and usually that breaks down trust. But people who say yes to everything, their lives are out of control because they can't get everything done and they don't know how to say no. So they don't set the limits on other people. And it's very frustrating to have a relationship with those kind of people. And for you to have a relationship with those kind of people, you got to have really good limits yourself. But here's what I want you to know about those people that don't have good limits. Because they don't have limits for themselves and they don't have good boundaries and they're weak on boundaries, they really don't see your boundaries. So they disrespect boundaries. They're like boundary busters. So when you start setting limits with people who don't have their own limits, they don't get it, and they won't respect yours. And what'll happen is you'll begin to start setting limits with them, and they'll get mad at you, they'll blame you, they'll shame you, they'll always point the finger at you, and it isn't you. It isn't you. And it's really not them either. It's just you need to set a limit, and you need to say no to that. And you gotta give people their responsibility. You gotta do your responsibility. So just be prepared. It can be really frustrating when you have relationships with people like that, in personal life and in business. Hey, listen, I hope this video helped you, and God bless.